whether or not we have a situation that has simple interest or compound interest. So we're supposed to read these two scenarios and determine if each type of account describes simple interest or compound interest based on the scenario given. So I just wanted to make sure you know that if an account pays simple interest, then the person that's depositing the money is going to earn the same amount each year. So, for example, if you deposit $100, then you would earn maybe $1 per year simple interest. So the next year you'd have 101, the next year you'd have 102, the next year you'd have 103, the next year you'd have 104. For compound interest, however, you earn a little bit more each year. So if you made $100 deposit and then you earned $1 interest, now you have 101. But the next year you're going to earn interest on the 101, so you might end up getting something like 102.10, and then the next year 103.25, and then the next year 103.5. So it's like a little bit more each time. And if you notice, if you leave it in the bank long enough, then over time it's going to be exponential. You'll end up earning a lot. So usually with compound interest, you need to leave your money in the account for many, many years, like an investment account. With simple interest, it's just going to change the same amount each year. So it's going to be more linear. And eventually if for a short amount of time, it's going to seem like the simple interest and the compound interest aren't that different. But if you were to leave the money invested for like 25 or 30 years, you're going to notice that the compound interest starts to do things like earning way like 2 and 3 times more, 5 times, 10 times more the amount of money that your simple interest account would earn. So this is good for investing. So let's look at our scenarios. We have Andrew depositing $300 into an account. It earns 2% interest each year. So after the first year, he has 306. After the second year, he has 312. After the third year, he has 318. So let's just put this on a table and see. So he starts with $300. After 1 year, he has 306. After 2 years, he has 312. After 3 years, he has 318. So you can see that we're just adding the same exact amount each year. So this is simple interest. And the reason I know that is I add the same amount. For number 2, let's look at this one. It says Marilyn deposits $600 in an account. It earns 1.5% interest each year. So it's earning a little less. It looks like this is 2%. This is 1.5%. And then it's saying after the first year, she has 609. After the second year, she has 618. After the third year, she has 627. So let's just check here. So she starts with 600. Then she gets to 609 after a year. $618.14. $627.41. So she's not earning the same amount each year. To get to the first year, she earned $9. The second year, she earned $9.14. And the third year, if you do the subtraction, if you just get a calculator and do 627.41 minus 618.14, she earned $9.27 that year. And then if you were going to continue, over time, this is only 3 years. It's just pennies, a little bit extra that she's making each year. But as time goes on, if she were to leave that money there for like 25 years or something, she might end up making, $25 or $30 when the simple interest would only be still collecting $6. So this is compound. And the amount of interest is more each year. And I'm talking about the amount of interest. This is her interest. It's increasing each year. Whereas with simple interest, it stays the same.